Hi everyone, my name is Hương Nguyễn Wolf. Welcome to Quilling Kit Do-It-Yourself Club. Today I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful cherry blossom. This is our kit for making the cherry blossom design. In this one, we included one tweezer, one paper cutter, and one quilling pen. Of course, we also included 4 different paper strips to create cherry blossom design. We also included 2 printed templates with matching envelope. Surprise! We also include a blank insert for you to write a message for your friends or family. One thing that I would like to remind you is Elmer glues is not included. However, you can find Elmer glues in any drugstores or at Michael's. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now we need to prepare for the glue. For the glue, I put it on the flat surface. Then I spread them out. We don't need too much glue because when you dip the paper in, it can be messy. For the cherry blossom, we will start it with the flower petal. I'm gonna cut my paper into 3 parts. So I only need 1/3 of the paper strips to create the petal. Just coil it and just relax it just a little bit. Then I shape it like a teardrop shape and I glue them on. I put the pointy side in the center, and you will repeat the same for the other petals. We have 5 petals on the pattern. Just so you know, all our paper are cut in 2 millimeter in width and A4 size in length. So you just need to repeat the same process for the 5 petals. The key here is you need to try to do eyeballing of your coil of the paper and shape it so that it can fit nicely on the printed patterns. And also just to create evenly looking flower petals, it will be nicer and more elegant. You're just trying to put the pointy part into the center and the round part outside. So now we will quill the last petal of the first flower. And on this design we have 12 different flowers. I'm gonna make 8 flowers in this color of the pink. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the leaf for the cherry blossom. For the leaf, I only use half a paper strip. Just relax it and squash to make the pointy on one end, and then on the other end when I glue down I also use the tip of my tweezer to make another point. So that you have the first leaf. So on this design we have total 8 leaves that you can see on the printed pattern. and they are all the same shapes and size. You will repeat the same process for the other 8 leaves. Then now I will show you how to make the decorate the center of the flower. I will cut the tiny bit of red color to put in the center of the flowers. And it can be quite tedious because this is really small. Then you will repeat for the rest of the flower. Once you finish putting on the red spot on the center of the flowers, you will have the beautiful looking cherry blossom like this. Now that you finished making this beautiful cherry blossom, I really hope that you enjoy your quilling experience. If you have any question, you can contact us at info@quillingkit.com. Thank you for using Quilling Kit do-it-yourself kit, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you again soon.